Hello, and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. So I want to show you something that I got from a dear friend of mine. It has not been used in a very long time. It is a soldering iron, and the idea behind it is to be able to heat up the entire sort of underside of a little chip. That's the idea. That's the head. He did plug it in. He says it does heat up. I'm not going to try it right now, but I am looking around. Well, I have an Amiga 500 in front of me. Maybe I'll unplug it. It's just the circuit board. And I will put this thing ever so gently onto the RAM chip. Oh, it does seem to fit rather well. I don't know if you can see that, but it does seem to fit rather well. It does. The idea, of course, is if you can heat up everything at once, then you should be able to just pop the chip out. Now, it's funny because on some of these other things, I think the chip is a little too long. But I will see what I can see with this. But anyway, it came from a wonderful fellow by the name of Phelps, Goodman. And he has been into electronic-y things for a very long time. If I look at this, these chips are too big on this board here. But some chips, it might be just dandy, and maybe I need to look for more things like this. I keep telling the story, I had a whole set of such things. They're beautiful. But not like this. It was just like a bar. I need to hunt. I need to search. I need to get things so that I can pull them out. Yeah, that's what I need to do. I have not sought, I'm just going to do this quickly. I have not sought yet another fuse. If you have been watching, you know that I had an Amiga 500 power supply that was dead. And even though it looked different, than what was in the innards of the power supplies looked different, but they had what appeared to be the same sort of fuse. They did. So I swapped them. And I am going to turn this on. This is, of course, the Amiga 500 board. Workbench. It asks for workbench. So it still seems to be working. I need to do more with this. I do. But not at this moment, because I don't have an Amiga 500 sitting here to do anything with. So I will. I hate wiggling cables out, because when you wiggle cables out, there is a chance that things on the bottom, like all these little connectors along the edge, could end up with cold solder joints, and that is not good. Anyway, the main thing I want to show right now was this lovely solder guard. I will try soon to put it in play and see what happens. I shall. Oh, what have I got? A message on Messenger. What could it be? Oh. Well, My brother called, but he was thinking at the time that he might have a leech on his foot, so I understand why he left. Gotta get that off. Gotta get that off. Alright, well, I know it's a short one, but that's it for now. Next time we'll look at some other little exciting bits and pieces. We shall. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. David Bradley in the TV room. Signing off. Bye for now.